Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest video download problem on your Pinterest app. We will just click here on settings, then we come to settings window here in this window. Then you just go down, then you click here on apps and you come to apps window here in this window and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window. We click here on Pinterest and it's going to take you to app info and you just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK and you just go down, then you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just we go to Play Store, you click here on Play Store and you search for Pinterest app. It's going to show for you like this. Just click here on update and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you next